Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful crochet Havana twist. If that's something you'd like to see, do not move a muscle. Yeah, do not forget to subscribe as well as we start on this video. So the first thing you're going to need is braid, obviously, and the braid that we are using is Havana twist. So this is by Darling and it's in color 133. So the braid comes in a pack of 16. So that is like 8 on that side and 8 on this other side, making it 16. These are the cornrows that I did. I am very lazy when it comes to cornrows. I get so tired detangling and parting, so I do the bare minimum, and furthermore they're going to be covered by the braids. So yeah. Now for the method that I'm using, it's just the normal method. I'm just taking the crochet needle, passing it through the cornrow, attaching the Havana twist, closing the latch, pulling it through, then taking out the crochet needle, and then I'll open up the loop, then pass the hair through it and pull to secure. I'm going to do that one more time. So I pass the crochet needle through the hair like that, or under the cornrow, attach the loop of the braid, pull it through, remove the crochet needle, open up the hook, then pass the hair through it and then pull to secure. Now something I noticed with this hair is that it does tend to loosen up on the root. So if you'd like to loop it twice, you can do that, but I did not because I didn't want it to look bulky on the root. Yeah, so I just decided I'll pambana with my Harley, and if it loosens up, I'll just like pull it to secure it. Yeah. So here I'm just filling up the front section. Now when I'm doing my crochet, I like to do the front part first, so that if in case I run out of braid, I have a plan B. I can just, take the hair back, hold it with a hairband and get the rest of the hair and do it later. So another reason why I do the front section part is so that I see how the styling is going to be. Like, am I going to have a side part? Am I going to have a mid part? Yeah, so when I do the front section, I have a clear idea of how I want it to look, so that as I'm finishing off the rest of the part, I'm able to plan on how I want to crochet the hair. Yeah, and I feel like I'm saying this like rocket science. It's not rocket science really. Yeah, so here I'm just populating the spaces that are at the front section, just to make sure that the cornrows are not showing, and then I will now move on to the back section. Yeah. Now so far so good. I see the look is coming up. Now here I am now designing the side part. That's why I'm placing that hair onto this other side, because as you can see, my left or my right side, which is your left side, I already have hair that is falling on my side, and that is a look that I'm going for. Now another thing I noticed with this braid is that it's so easy to unravel, you guys. Like at the root, the hair that is left at the root, it was just unraveling by itself, and that's not cute, and it was making it difficult for me to crochet, because when it separates, as you attach it to the loop, then some hair is left, and yeah, it doesn't go through the cornrow as easily as easy or as seamless as it should. Now I'm still adding more hair at the front section, because I do not want to find myself running out of hair, although I had bought 4 packs of this, so there's no way I'm running out of hair. I'm just like so prepared. It's not gonna happen. Yeah, I've had instances where I've had less hair and it doesn't look cute, so I was like, this time around that's not gonna happen to me. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I think you've already understood the braiding pattern. now, the crochet pattern I mean. So this is how I'm looking so far. I'm halfway and the back part is still not done, so we're going to work on that. And you see, when I throw my hair at the back, it's still covering the hair. So the back part is still a repetition of what I was doing on the front part. So I just attach the hair onto the loop, pull it through, close the lash and remove it, or the crochet needle and remove it, then pass the rest of the hair through the loop and pull to secure. And this is the final look. Everything is completely covered. I look like a goddess. Oh my freaking god. I am so sorry about the sound. Something is off with my microphone. It's making some squeaky sound, so I have to do a voiceover even during this final stage. I know. Oh, anyway, so the hair looks so good, you guys. So beautiful. Yeah, I am so happy with how this turned out. And can you believe I waited 2 months to do this hair? Like, I just had these braids lying around in the house and I would tell myself, I'm gonna do it soon, yeah, soon. But I never did, you know. Like, I know I was busy, like I've been so busy. That's why even my uploads have gone down. But I am back, I hope so. I'm still trying to balance because work has become crazier than before. Now COVID restrictions have eased up. Anyway, so that is it for this video. If you didn't enjoy it, do not forget to leave me a like, comment, and of course subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Until next time, choose kindness and of course remember to be safe. Bye.